गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। इसको हम शून्य आधारित बजट भी कहते हैं। सबसे पहले जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग किसे कहते हैं? देखिए, जैसे कि नाम से जीरो बेस्ड जो है बजटिंग है, इट इज एन अप्रोच टू प्लान एंड प्रिपेयर द बजट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच। शुरू से बजट को बनाना। जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जीरो rather than a traditional budget that is based on previous budgets। तो ट्रेडिशनल बजट तो पहले वाले बजटों के आधार पर बनाया जाता है, जबकि जीरो बेस्ड बजट इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जीरो। विद दिस बजटिंग अप्रोच यू नीड टू जस्टिफाई ईच एंड एवरी एक्सपेंस बिफोर एडिंग इट टू द एक्चुअल बजट। आपको हर एक तरह का जो खर्चा करना होता है उसको जस्टिफाई करना होता है। और द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग इज द रिडक्शन of unnecessary cost by looking at where the cost can be cut। Zero based budgeting जो है, it is a method of budgeting in which all the expenses must be justified for each new period। हर नए जो अवधि है उसके लिए जो जितने भी एक्सपेंसेस हमको करने हैं उसको हमको जस्टिफाई करना होता है। और द प्रोसेस ऑफ जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको, जीरो बेस से स्टार्ट होता है। और हर जो फंक्शन है, एवरी फंक्शन विद इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज एनालाइज्ड फॉर इट्स नीड्स एंड कॉस्ट्स। इसको देखिए, इट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय पीटर फ्रायर इन 1970s। और जीरो बेस्ड बजट जो है, इट एनालाइजेज नीड्स एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ एवरी फंक्शन जो है विद इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड एलोकेट्स फंड्स अकॉर्डिंगली रिगार्डलेस ऑफ how much money has previously been budgeted to any given line item। फिर ये जो है शून्य आधारित बजट जो है वो भारत में इसको अपनाने के दो मुख्य कारण हैं। पहला तो है देश में बजट में लगातार होने वाला घाटा, और दूसरा है निष्पादन बजट प्रणाली का सफल क्रियान्वयन न हो पाना। शून्य आधारित बजट में पिछले वर्ष में किए गए व्ययों पर विचार नहीं किया जाता और न ही पिछले वित्त वर्षों के व्ययों को आगामी वर्षों के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है, बल्कि इस बजट में इस बात पर जोर दिया जाता है कि व्यय किया जाए या नहीं, अर्थात व्यय में वृद्धि या कमी के बजाय व्यय किया जाए या नहीं इस पर विचार किया जाता है। फिर शून्य आधारित बजट में प्रत्येक कार्य का निर्धारण शून्य आधार पर किया जाता है, अर्थात पुराने व्यय के आधार पर नए व्यय का निर्धारण नहीं किया जाता, बल्कि प्रत्येक कार्य के लिए नए सिरे से नीति निर्धारण किया जाता है। इस बजट को सूर्य अस्त बजट, सनसेट बजट भी कहा जाता है, जिसका अर्थ जो है इसका अर्थ है कि वित्तीय वर्ष की समाप्ति से पहले प्रत्येक विभाग को शून्य आधारित बजट पेश करना पड़ता है, जिसमें विभाग में प्रत्येक क्रियाकलाप का लेखा जोखा रहता है। शून्य आधारित बजट ऐसे नियोजन और बजट प्रक्रिया है जिसमें यह अपेक्षा की जाती है कि प्रत्येक प्रबंधक को शून्य आधार से अपनी संपूर्ण बजट मांग को विस्तार पूर्वक न्याय संगत ठहराना पड़ता है, एवं वह मांग किए गए धन को क्यों व्यय करेगा इसके औचित्य को भी सिद्ध करने का भार प्रत्येक प्रबंधक पर डाल दिया जाता है। इस दृष्टिकोण से कि सभी क्रियाएं निर्णय संकुलों में विश्लेषित की जाती है, जिनका व्यवस्थित विश्लेषण द्वारा मूल्यांकन किया जाता है तथा उन्हें महत्व के अनुसार क्रमबद्ध किया जाता है। Now we take an example of zero based budgeting। Suppose a company making construction equipment implements a zero based budgeting process। एक कंपनी जो कि कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्विपमेंट बना रही है वो जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग प्रोसेस जो है अपनाती है। इट कॉल्स फॉर क्लोज स्क्रूटिनी ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिपार्टमेंट एक्सपेंसेस। इसके लिए हमको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिपार्टमेंट एक्सपेंसेस का क्लोजर जो है स्क्रूटिनी करनी पड़ेगी। द कंपनी नोटिसेस दैट द cost of certain parts used in its final products and outsourced to another manufacturer increases by 5% every year। The company has the capability to make those parts in-house using its own workers। After weighing the positive and the negative of the in-house manufacturing, the company finds it can make the parts more cheaply than the outside supplier। अब instead of blindly increasing the budget by a certain percentage and making the cost increase, the company can identify a situation in which it can decide to make the parts itself or buy the parts from the external supplier for its end products. Traditional budgeting may not allow cost drivers within a department to be identified. Zero-based budgeting is a more granular process that aims to identify and justify expenditures. However, zero-based budgeting is also more involved, so the cost of the process itself must be weighed against the saving it may identify. अब देखिए डिफरेंस क्या है ट्रेडिशनल बजटिंग और जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग में. In traditional budgeting, the previous year's budget is taken as a base for the preparation of the budget, whereas each time the budget under zero-based budgeting is created, the activities are re-evaluated and thus starts from the scratch. The emphasis of traditional budgeting is on the previous expenditure level. On the contrary, zero-based budgeting may focus is on forming a new economic proposal. एक नया economic proposal हम बनाते हैं zero based budgeting में whenever the budget is set. फिर traditional budgeting works on the cost accounting principle. Cost accounting principle पर काम करता है traditional budgeting. Thereby it is more accounting oriented. Whereas zero based जो budget है it is decision oriented. In the traditional budgeting, justification of the line items and expenses are not at all required, जबकि zero based budgeting में proper justification is required, taking into account the cost and benefit. In traditional budgeting, the top management takes decision regarding any amount that will be spent on a particular product. In contrast, zero based budgeting, the decision regarding the spending a specific sum or on a particular product is on the managers. Zero based budgeting is better than the traditional budgeting when it comes to clarity and responsiveness. फिर traditional budget follows a monotonous approach. On the contrary, zero based budgeting follows a straightforward approach. Zero based budget necessitates managers to rationalize all of their budgeted expenditures instead of the more common approach of only requiring justification for incremental changes to the budget or the actual results from the previous years. अब what are the steps to create a zero based budget? सबसे पहले identifying the decision units that need a justification for every line item of expenditures in the proposed budget. फिर preparing decision packages. Each decision package is an identifiable and separate activity. These decision packages are connected with the objective of the company. Then the next step in zero-based budgeting is to rank the decision packages. This ranking is done on the basis of cost-benefit analysis. Finally, funds are allocated on the basis of above findings by following a pyramid ranking system to ensure maximum results. Decision packages means self-contained proposals or modules seeking funds. Each decision package comprises of the explanation of the activity, the amount involved, the need for that item, the benefit arising from the implementation of the proposal, and the expected loss that may be incurred if it is not done, and much more. Now, what are the advantages of zero-based budgeting? सबसे पहला है it helps in attaining accuracy. This type of budgeting helps companies to look over every department to make sure they are getting the correct amount of money. फिर है efficiency. It helps judge the actual needs by focusing on current number instead of past budgets. Zero-based budgeting helps a business in the allocation of resources efficiently, as it does not look at the previous budget numbers. Instead, looks at the actual numbers. फिर है तीसरा, it helps in reducing the wasteful spending. It can remove जितना भी redundant spending है, wasteful spending है, by re-examining potentially unnecessary expenditures. जो unnecessary expenditures हैं उनको हटा दिया जाता है. फिर coordination and communication. It allows for better communication within departments by involving employees in decision making and budget prioritization. फिर है budget inflation. जैसे कि पहले भी बताया मैंने कि आपको कि हर एक्सपेंस को जस्टिफाई करना होता है हमको जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग में, तो एक तरह से कंपनसेट करता है किसको, द वीकनेस ऑफ इंक्रीमेंटल बजट बिफोर बजट, इंक्रीमेंटल बजटिंग ऑफ बजट इन्फ्लेशन। फिर इट कोऑर्डिनेशन और कम्युनिकेशन जो है जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग प्रोवाइड्स बेटर कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन within the department and motivation to employees by involving them in the decision making। फिर है it helps in reducing the redundant activities, पहले भी बताया मैंने आपको, जो है ये जो अप्रोच है it leads to identify optimum opportunities and more cost efficient ways of doing things by eliminating all the redundant and unproductive activities। Or this system provides more scrutiny and transparency in the budgeting process, though it is initially introduced for government use, but small businessmen can also get advantage from the use of zero-based budgeting to find ways to reduce cost, invest limited resources more intentionally, and evaluate the benefits of budgeted tasks or projects। फिर it is a system of planning and decision making that opposites of the working process of traditional budgeting। In traditional incremental budgeting, departmental managers explain only variances versus past years based on the assumption that the baseline is robotically approved. In zero-based budgeting, every line item of the budget must be accepted rather than only changes। Zero-based budgeting needs the budget request be reassessed systematically starting from zero base। ये मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको। This process is autonomous of whether the total budget or specific line items are increasing or decreasing। What are the disadvantages of zero-based budgeting? सबसे पहला है creating zero-based budgeting within a company can take enormous amounts of time, effort, and analysis that would require extra staff। This could cause the process to be counterproductive in cutting cost। फिर है in using zero-based budgeting, managers could attempt to skew numbers to make expenditures into vital activities, thus creating a need for them। This would cause companies to continue wasting money on things they don't need। फिर है this type of budgeting requires departments to justify their budget, which can be difficult on many levels। Departments such as advertising and marketing have to justify expenses they may or may not use in the next year due to fluctuation of the market। This could cost them profits in the future due to not being able to justify a certain amounts। फिर है managerial time जो है zero based budgeting comes at the cost of time and extra training for managers। This means extra time every year to do the budget, make adjustment and जो है receive the proper training to understand how to do zero based budgeting। This zero based जो budgeting है approach is a highly time intensive for a company to do annually as against incremental budgeting approach which is far easier method। फिर है slower response time due to the amount of time and training it is required to do zero based budgeting। Managerial staff could be less likely to revise the budget in response to a changing market। This means that it will take longer for a company to move money into departments that need it the most at the time। Zero based budgeting could potentially leave gaps in a company because the budget might not react to departments sudden needs। फिर है high manpower turnover। The foundation of zero based budgeting itself is a zero budget under this concept is planned and prepared from the scratch and requires the involvement of a large number of employees। Many departments may not have adequate human resource and time for the same। फिर lack of expertise भी कई बार एक डिसएडवांटेज होती है, प्रोवाइडिंग एन एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर एवरी लाइन आइटम एंड एवरी कॉस्ट इज अ प्रॉब्लमैटिक टास्क एंड रिक्वायर्स ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द मैनेजर्स। तो ये तो सारे डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं। फिर जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग इन इंडिया की अगर हम बात करें तो रिसेंटली यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर सीतारमन अनाउंस्ड अ प्रपोजल ऑफ जीरो बेस्ड जो है zero budget farming, which she said is like going back to the basics. She said zero budget farming is already being practiced in some states of the country. Zero budget farming is a set of farming methods that involves zero credit for agriculture and no use of chemical fertilizers. Zero budget farming model promises to cut down the farming expenditure drastically and ends dependence on loans. It also reduces dependence on purchased inputs as it encourages use of own seeds and locally available natural fertilizers. Farming is done in sync with the nature not through chemical fertilizers. फिर जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग इन इंडिया वॉज इनिशिएटेड इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इन 1983. In 1986, the government of India adopted zero based budgeting as a technique for determining expenditure budget. At this point of time, we have limited application of zero based budgeting in India. So the conclusion is zero based budgeting targets at present are presenting true expenses to be incurred by the department. Although this budgeting method is time consuming, this is more appropriate way of budgeting. This includes all inclusive analysis of the budget proposal, and if the managers make irrelevant variations so as to achieve what they want, they are probably exposed. Thank you.